Container 45. Most of planet ships, 75,000, let's say 70% go around Europe. Europe has a privileged maritime strategic sector. It did have, because that's why Spain found the first America, you see, and the return from America, because some say they did go to America, but they never returned, you see. Now, the world commerce is like you go and come back. And so here, container fleet within European waters has a huge potential to expand. But we have now this issue about the war in Iran and how long will it take, and how about the flights from Filipinas to Spain, $3,000 economy, if there is a seat, and then should it be business, it's $6,000 US dollars, but then how can we have European container cabotage rules, host conditions? How can we have Malta, Cyprus, Madeira, Spanish flag? How can we think, hola, habla español, change the language of the ship, why not? It's not difícil, café, por favor, buenos días. It's easy to do that. Why you need to speak English? I just wonder. Then, if we did that, could we really compete with Asia crew? Of course, yes, because it's the same budget. Many Spanish owners do, and they employ Cuban officers and Venezuela officers, and then they mix them with Honduras, and we do that. And many others have a trade with Maghreb, and we have Moroccan, and many think about, oh, well, is Cyprus flag very good for Maghreb? Yes. Why? Because it endorses the Algerian and the Moroccan, and there's a huge population, 45 million each, same as Spain, or about 50s. Spain, so Spain, Morocco and Algeria, they have 50, 150. So could we get some 500,000 seafarers? Well, not in Spain, because they're worried about what's happening somewhere else, not in their own land for their own people. They're just printing money. But how about the Maghreb? Well, it's interesting now. Could we have this possibility to solve your container needs today? Yes, if you give us a 10, 30, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 ships, we can, if those ships are with the Maghreb trade, very easy, Cyprus flag, we can do those 100 ships. And then if we have another 100, could be a Spanish flag with Latinos. And if we think about then more 100 Latinos, that's the 300, from 201 to 300 ships, those Latinos will be interesting. But I'm sorry to say that European flags don't allow Panama, Venezuela, so we need also, they do endorse Ecuador and Peru, but that's not good enough. So we would need to go to other registries, like for international trade. If those ships trade to America, we can do another 100. So this is just a solution video for your container fleet of 300. That's 100 European South Sea with the Cyprus, 100 the Spanish flag, also South Sea, Spanish flag, because they are making a very fast working permits at last. They are doing that, yes. The endorsements, they are not doing them, but we can find the Spanish, we think, and perhaps some Peruvians. So it could be feasible, and also another 100 for trade to America, Panama flag. Those flags that you don't need the Europeans, because you can have Panama and Venezuela, which is very, very interesting, and that's feasible. Thank you, contact us, because now everybody will be running around what decisions to make, what flag to change, and what. It has to be a solution close to your home, dear ship owner. Why? Because we have Africa, Europe, and America, the biggest database in Candina Group. So the container ship owner, we can really help you get this solution. And if you really make your move very, very fast, like today, now I don't have a watch, but imagine now it's 20 to 9. If we have the decision at 19 to 9, then perhaps first striking gets the competitive advantage. Yes. Thank you. Bye.